For a lot of us parents and carers of children with a disability or developmental concern, there is that sense of isolation. The Envisage program creates this space for really meaningful connection with other parents and carers, where you can share the things that are scary and overwhelming, but also the joys. The Envisage program is for any parent or carer of a child 0 to 8 who has a disability or a developmental concern. The program is completely free, funded by the government. You don't need a diagnosis. Our programs are made up of 5 workshops or discussion groups. They can be online or in person, and every workshop is facilitated by someone with lived experience alongside a service provider. Each workshop has a topic and a theme. You pick up some tools that we know from research work, but the real magic is when the parents find each other and make those connections.